Well, hey guys, this is 420 RCJ here, and I'm just farting around town here. Went to get some breakfast at Timmy Hortons. Decided to do a little video here on this old girl. Ooh, it's an old 1920 McCormick and Daring. Wow, she's old. Even got the old original spark plugs in it. It's hilarious. Wow. Holy fuck, eh? Oh, what do we got in the toolbox here? Oh, nothing. Or, nope, we got some acorns. Right on. Wow. Let's step up on this old bitch here. Holy crap! Holy fuck, the steering wheel still moves. Holy crap. Ah, that's too cool. Oh, there's the water tower. I wonder if she'll start. Yeehaw! Right on. Fuck. That's too awesome. Oh, hop down here. Wow. That is neat shit. Yeah. I forgot about this old bitch here. Got all the shifters. Holy crap, eh? And still got the belt on her and everything. Oh, something's loose there. Ooh. Right on. Wow, I wonder how hard it was to get one of these old bitches going. She's got the old crank. Of course it ain't gonna move. Right on. So, 420 RCJ here. We'll see you guys later.